Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can change your MAC address on your MacOS Big Sur. So this is a form of so-called MAC spoofing. So basically MAC spoofing allows you to change your own MAC address to your friends or anyone else's MAC address by impersonating that person on their internet. And it is very useful for Wi-Fi hacking, and also if you want to access to a restricted network, MAC spoofing will also beneficial for you. So in order to change your MAC address, you just need to go to your terminal, and then first you want to check what is your current MAC address. You can type ifconfig to check your MAC address and find the N0. So here is my current MAC address, and if I want to just show my MAC address, I can use ifconfig N0 and then grab ether. Sorry, I typed something wrong here. It should be N0. Okay, so now I just show my current MAC address here. So in order to change your MAC address, you need to use some commands. So let's do sudo ifconfig N0 ether, and here you need to specify the MAC address that you want to change. So here we'll just specify the new MAC address. Let's say 001122334455, and here you need to make sure that there are 12 numbers. So if you make it 12, then you can enter, and it asks for your password. So let's check if my MAC address changed from this to this one. Let's check it again. Alright, now I successfully changed my MAC address. And don't worry, if you want your original MAC address, just simply reboot your machine. So, and this is it for this tutorial, and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching, and